to replace the internal filter inside the New Shape VW. What's the make with this one? Caddy. You just click this. Have a look. You just click this. Release buttons. There we are. I've already released it. You get a screwdriver. You click this. Can you see these? These are the one holding it, and it will just release itself. And cabin filter is hidden well behind here. Alright, so with a little push, mind you, this is a 1.5 years old car, and the cabin filter hasn't been changed at all. Look at that, my god. I've been sneezing in the car. It just came to me that I never replaced it, and as you can see, it's basically stinking. You can see all the dirt, dust and pollens. This is a 72 range VW Caddy long shape. So hopefully that will help someone. Have a look inside. This is where the air ventilation coming through the filter and into the cabin. But obviously when it's stinking dirty like this, with the hair and bugs and you name it, you won't be able to clear fresh air. Thank you very much for watching.